Here's how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. If Roblox keeps disconnecting you, the game crashes, or you're repeatedly seeing error 277, try these methods to resolve the problem. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Control Panel. Open Control Panel, and from here, click Network and Sharing Center. From the left-hand side, select Change Adapter Settings. Find the network connection you're currently using, right-click on it, and select Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. You'll see an option to obtain the DNS server address automatically. Select Use the following DNS server addresses instead. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8888. And for the alternate DNS server, enter 8844. Click OK to save your changes. Then close the remaining windows. After that, restart Roblox and check if error 277 has been resolved. If you're still getting the error, open your web browser and go to speedtest.net. Start the speed test and wait for it to finish. Roblox recommends a stable internet connection, so check your download speed to make sure your connection is fast enough for the game. If your connection is working properly but you're still experiencing error 277, try performing a clean installation of Roblox. Open the Start menu and search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs. Use the search box to find Roblox. Then click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Wait for Roblox to be completely removed from your computer. Once the uninstallation is finished, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox download page. Click the Download button and open the downloaded installation file. Follow the instructions on your screen to reinstall Roblox. After the installation is complete, launch Roblox and check if the error has been fixed. If you're still having problems, the issue could be caused by a problem with Roblox's servers. To check the server status, open your browser and go to the Roblox status page. If everything is working correctly, you should see a message indicating that the services are operational. However, if the status page shows an active incident or service disruption, the problem may be on Roblox's side. In that situation, you'll need to wait until Roblox resolves the server issue before trying to play again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.